Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix P2138 throttle pedal position sensor switch DE voltage correlation. If you're getting P2138, it's because there's going to be a voltage difference between APP1 and APP2. Exactly, what is APP1 and APP2? Well, APP1, it is going to be the throttle body that's going to contain a throttle position sensor or a throttle actuator, and APP2 is going to be the accelerator pedal position sensor. This is going to be the accelerator pedal position sensor, and if you look closely on this gas pedal, there is a sensor right there. The reason why you're getting P2138 is because the throttle body and the accelerator pedal position sensor is not synced up. And again, the voltage is not matching. And when the voltage is not matching, there's going to be a discrepancy. And again, you're going to get P2138 code. Here is a close-up view of all the parts that's going to be responsible for that code. Now, the first thing I recommend checking, it is going to be the gas pedal. So again, on the gas pedal, there's going to be a sensor on it. And if that sensor gets wet, for example, let's just say it is raining that day and you stepped on the gas pedal with your wet shoe or boot, and when water get on the sensor, it can cause damage to the sensor. Also, if water get into the connector, it can cause the connector to start to corrode. And when there's corrosion, it will cause increased resistance and it can trigger P2138 code. If the accelerator pedal position sensor is not the issue, then most likely you're going to have a bad throttle body. So if the throttle body is bad, for example, this one is going to contain a throttle actuator because this is an electronic throttle body, and if the actuator motor start to fail, again, it can trigger P2138 code. If your throttle body is a drive-by cable, then most likely there's going to be a TPS sensor on it, and if the TPS sensor start to fail, again, it can trigger P2138 code as well. So again, it is important for the accelerator pedal position sensor and the throttle body voltage to match. And if the two voltage do not match, again, it will trigger P2138 code. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.